Hi guys, today we will review true wireless earbuds from QCY T7 model. It has a good design, it's a colorful play button. We can see the buds from the box, it's funny. And here writes true wireless smart earbuds. Here just enjoy it slowly. It has some information about in the back of the box, the pairing name and also model. Bluetooth, it has 5.0 Bluetooth version. Operation range 10 meter. Charging time approximately 2 hours. Standard time 16 hours, and also music time 4 hours. Each buds has 35 milliampere. The case is 380 milliampere, and input parameter we can say that totally 400 milliampere. It has a Li-ion battery and support 3 type of music profile. This one there isn't. Just we open with this. We don't need knife. Just put it and open like this. Yes, it's very kindly. We don't need. Just the box is so colorful, and we just open here. Let's put it. Yes. In the box we have just a small short USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable. This is a standard cable. And we have instruction manual. We never read. We have buds here, and we have case. Case is covered with this plastic. Yes, it has USB Type-C. Fortunately, it has a button, pairing button. We just open. It has a green LED and 2 places for the buds. When we look at the buds, yes, look at the buds. Each buds has name right or left. It has LED, and this LED doesn't just shiny like this, just shiny first for pairing. After pairing they are shut down. It has a infrared sensor. When you put your ear, start to play music. When you put out, it stop the music. And this is touching area. It has some specs like 3 taps, and each one has this one. And it has a application on market QCY. You can change the functional of this touching area. Staging area, and this is the left one. It has the same LED. Yes, they are like this. The box is really small. Look at this, is just like this, and it has a pairing button, as I said, like this. When you use just QCY application on your mobile phone, when you open like this on Android, just a pop-up screen appears, and there are some information about each buds, and just information about the battery, each buds, and also case. This is USB Type-C cable. Yes, it has good quality for your office works, or you can listen to music. Unfortunately, it doesn't have ANC, but it has a ANC like ANC specification skills, and the microphone quality is really good. I will show you the outside quality and the inside quality of the microphone. Sounds, music quality, it changes according to people, you know. So according to me, according to my ear, it has a good music quality. You can hear each details of the music, each details of the song. But as I said, it's changed per people ears, because each people has different ears, different perspectives. So I just want to show you the microphone quality. I think it has a good microphone quality because it has two microphones. The first one is this for your voice, and the second one is this because of the outside. It's just blocked outside sounds and just focus on your real sounds. I use it for a week and it's really good. I use it in transportation, in metro, in subway, and in outsides. In insides, there isn't any problem. In outsides, really it's crowded and very loud. It has very loud sounds. But the person who listen me on the phone can understand me and hear me very clearly. Maybe because of the Bluetooth, your sounds a little bit robotic, but you will be see in the outside quality and the inside quality. Let's look at it.
Hi guys, this is the interior test of the microphone of QCY T7. What do you think, Ted? What about my sounds? I am in the room and all windows are closed, and also there is nobody in the room. What do you think, that is my sound good or is my sound robotic? Let me know in the comment below. Yes guys, I am on the outside and has kids sound and also it is a strong one and motorway sound. What do you think, Ed? It might sound good. Can you hear me in the outside?
Yes, what do you think about sound quality? Please let me know in the comment below. Just is it good or not? Outside and inside quality performance. What do you think about this one? I just decided to buy Xiaomi Basic 2 SE model, but it has a very disgusting design. The buds are very thick. This place especially very thick as my, like this finger, but they are very small. It has really AirPods design, but Xiaomi S2 SE has a huge and different, dangerous, I can say that, monster design. It is very huge, and some people when see on your ears thinks that this is a fake and very bad design fake. So I like this one, and this is good. I think I use it on my Huawei Mate 30 Pro. And what do you think about this QCY T7? Let me know in the section below. Thanks for your watching and catch you in the next one. See you soon.